let's install Samsung Music on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And for that, just open Play Store and here use this search bar to type in Samsung Music. And after that, select this button to install and wait a couple of seconds till it will be downloading. And great, now it is almost downloaded and now we can open it. Here we just need to tap this button Continue. Here select Continue to agree with the permissions. Click on the Allow, then repeat this step, and now you can see the Samsung Music. So we have here the Favorites tab, Playlist, Tracks, your albums, artists, and folders. Also you can tap on the three dots and edit those lists, check the sound quality and effects, and see its settings. Here you can see your recent albums, and here in the Spotify section you will be able to add some music to your Samsung application if you have a Spotify account. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.